Hi guys, with another video. Previous the video I just showed this shark cordless vacuum that I was trying to fix, and I explained to how you can take it out the batteries. And then in this video I just take it. I'm gonna show that how I took the batteries. I just and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws I took it away, and after that one more screw I took it away, and then pull it this, and here you are. This is the battery that has a problem. And as I said previous video, this battery is charging, but it doesn't hold power, or it doesn't charge full charge, and then I wasn't able to use this vacuum. I'll search this battery, how much is it, and then I will later on I will decide to change this battery or not. Maybe it's not worth it to change the battery, because it's maybe it's cheaper to buy the new shark cordless vacuum. So if you have the same like this vacuum, same vacuum, and you can go ahead, you can take it the battery like this, and then you can search online if it's worth it to change it, and go ahead and buy and replace this battery. Easy to replace the battery. Just pull it this battery box, and then after that you see that is and pull all these cables, and put the new one and put the here, then buy in the box, plastic bags here, same as the old one, and connect the cables right here, and put it in the bag or where you took it from, and just screw everything, and go ahead and use it again. Maybe how many years I don't know, but it's you can use it. So I hope this video is gonna be helpful to you. Yeah, good luck to you guys. Bye bye.